85. I stay at home and look after the children. 86. I'm a housewife. 87. I've got a part-time job. 88. I'm unemployed. 89. I'm looking for work. 90. I've been made redundant. 91. I'm retired. 92. Who do you work for? 93. I work for an investment bank. 94. I work for myself. 95. I have my own business. 96. I just started at IBM. 97. Where do you work? 98. I work in a bank. 99. I'm training to be an engineer. 100. I'm a trainee accountant. 101. I'm on a course at the moment. 102. I'm on work experience. 103. Are you a student? 104. What do you study? 105. I'm studying economics. 106. Where do you study? 107. Which university are you at? 108. I'm at Liverpool University. 109. Which year are you in? 110. I'm in my final year. 111. Do you have any exams coming up? 112. I've just graduated. 113. Did you go to university? 114. Where did you go to university? 115. I went to Cambridge. 116. I went to Cambridge. 117. How many more years do you have to go? 118. What do you want to do when you've finished? 119. Get a job. 120. I don't know what and want to do after university. 121. What religion are you? 122. I'm a Christian. 123. Do you believe in God? 124. I believe in God.